excited, guys. If you guys don't want to see me tear up this food like never before, go ham and like getting like piggish, like swine flu. Like, you don't want me to do that? Get out of here right now. Like never before, you're gonna tear up this food like, okay, go crazy for it, right? Go crazy. Yes, you think that I'm so weird. It's okay. It's okay to be weird on YouTube. Let me just show you guys this really quick. Look at that, you got all that cheese. Ah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Look at the crunch. Look at that crispiness. Oh, with the jalapeno on the side. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. So juicy. Wow. Wow. Awake. I was listening to Bad Bunny. I don't really listen to Bad Bunny, but I was like, why is it so good? I love pizza. Today's not Domino's. Today's Little Caesars because I was craving Little Caesars. When you don't watch this video, I'm gonna go ham, tear up this food like never before. Gonna go Hulk on this food. Fries? Y'all see those fries? Oh my gosh. Oh. Hold on. I'll talk about it in a bit right now. Just think about this. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. 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 Oh shoot. Mmm. Mhm.